Hello, everybody. Today we are going to see a dialogue about a terrible hotel. This is a conversation between Anna and Christina. They are going to talk about what happened in this hotel. So listen carefully, and this is Miss Gladys Machado.
This hotel is so old.
It's not that bad.
What do you mean? This place is awful.
I've seen worse hotels. Stop complaining.
There's a bug in my bed.
Okay, this place is pretty bad.
Here we have some questions about the listening. Just 3 questions, so you choose the right answer.
This hotel is so old. What do you mean? This place is awful. There's a bug in my bed.
Here is the conversation of Christina.
It's not that bad. I've seen worse hotels. Stop complaining. Okay, this place is pretty bad.
Here is the practice. After doing the other exercises, you are going to practice the dialogue with your partner, and then you insert the record here. Thank you. So I am very sure that after this exercise, you are going to start using some expressions that we have seen here. Thank you very much. This was Miss Gladys Machado. Bye-bye.